Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be learning how to create a macro. Let's create a macro for something that we design the most as designers, that is visiting cards, right? So saying that, we are going to be creating, let's take an arbitrary shape first. Okay, a rectangle. It's not the size of a visiting card. Then we come to tools, we come into scripts. Okay, if this is for people who are using Corel 21 and above, this will come in this format, where for others it will be tools, macros, and then start recording. Then you say start recording. Make sure that your rectangle behind is always selected before you start recording. It's very important. Okay, so name it as visiting card firma. Now you will say, some of my friends will say, sir, why have you not put a space? Let's put a space. Once you put a space, you will get this error that it does not accept spaces or special characters. So you can't put spaces, you can't put dollars, you can't put hashtags, nothing. Okay, and we come here. Now once you come here, you give it our visiting card size, that is 95 tab 56. Press enter. That's what you're going to get. This is our card size. Now what we always do is that we have 22 mm bleed on the outer. So you control C, control V, make sure that everything is selected. Okay, you type this 22 mm, so 4 mm from all sides, 1, 91 and 52, right? Again control C, control V. This 91, now you take 33 mm in, so 85 and 48, right? Now saying that, now what we are going to do we need so many boxes? No, we don't. So what we are going to do is start putting grids everywhere, right? We as designers work on grids. So while you're putting the grids, you okay, make sure your grids are in the right place, and we are done. Now what you do is delete this and this. Let your outer one be, right? And then we come to tools again, scripts, and stop recording. Now once you stop recording, this particular thing has gone into global and visiting card firma. Okay, so now let's take a new file. Okay, we come here, we create a random shape, and we just double click on this. What happens is that there is only one small flaw in this, okay, which my friends, you all can see, but your 95% of the work is complete. All you need to now do is just take this rectangle, which is 95 by 56, and take it here, and you have to say snap to guidelines. Okay, come here and take it here. Everything else is done. So isn't this a brilliant way of cutting down your work? So my friends, now taking this a step further, let's select all our grids and remove them. Okay, now we are going to be taking a new page. Okay, let it be in inches. Okay, because our visiting card size is already there, and let it be in inches. So our print page size is normally 12 by 18. Okay, so we keep it in 12 by 18. We come here, top align the page, and we leave it here. Fine. Now what are we doing? Our visiting card is created, and we are now going to take it further where we will be putting our visiting card for print. So we'll be creating another macro which will create ups to make a visiting card. Okay, so now this is my card in the 12 by 18 paper. So now I'm going to convert this to mm, and let's make the whole experience more practical. Okay, so we remove this and we take my visiting card, we copy it and we paste it here. Got it? So this is one of the designs that we had made. Okay, if you have missed it, please go back to my channel and search for creating a visiting card and you shall get this. Okay, so saying that, now let's start working on our macro. So we come here, get into tools, scripts, start recording, and we give it a name. Visiting card ups underscore ups. Underscores are allowed, so we keep it visiting card underscore ups and we say okay. Now then we come here, we copy this, paste it, keep it here and ticket 1. Copy, paste, keep it here and ticket 1. Now we are going to group all of them and here we are going to put minus 57. 56 is a card size, we'll put 57 because here also we have left 1 mm gap. Then all you need to do is just press Ctrl D. Okay, and that's the end of our macro recording. So we say stop recording and this is our visiting card ups, this is our visiting card firm. Now let's see if this works. Come here, select a brand new design. Okay, we come here, select this design, copy, paste, group, come here and just say visiting card ups. And that's the end of our class. So if you like it, please like, subscribe and do not forget to share because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.